stop at Wilmington, Philadelphia, Trenton, Metro Park.
Hi everyone, it's me Tom. I'm at Baltimore Penn Station. Just wanted to do a really quick video. We're not riding this train, but I did manage to see it, and it's quite a unique train, quite a big deal. So I'm glad I caught it on camera. It's the Northeast Regional 66 from Washington, D.C. to Baltimore, and what's special about it is it has one Viewliner sleeping coach, so you can actually book sleeping car tickets for this train. Now, enough me talking about this train, let's go see it.
South Station, with intermediate stops at Wilmington, Philadelphia, Trenton, Metro Park, Newark, New Jersey, New York Penn Station, New Rochelle, Stamford, Bridgeport, New Haven, Old Saybrook, New London, Mystic, Westerly, Kingston, Providence, Route 128, Boston Back Bay. Passengers should proceed to Gate E, Track 6.
Now, the Northeast Regional is Amtrak's most popular service, connecting Washington, D.C. with Boston through cities such as Philly and New York. Some trains continue either to Springfield, Massachusetts, or to different destinations in Virginia. While the Northeast Regional is Amtrak's most frequent train, all runs are practically daytime runs, which is why this Northeast Regional 66 is such a big deal. Amtrak only has 3 trains that run with sleeper cars, the 66 going north, and the 65 or the 67 going south, depending on what day of the week it is. These trains were introduced to the timetable on April 5th, 2021, and the Northeast Regional 66 leaves Washington, D.C. at 9:30 at night to get to Boston South Station by 8 in the morning the next day. To see a Viewliner sleeping car and a baggage car on a Northeast Regional is kind of a strange sight. Would you travel overnight on the Northeast Regional? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.